How to remove something from continue watching on Disney Plus. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To remove something from your continue watching list, tap open your Disney Plus application on your device. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. You need to click on it. From the menu option, choose the watch list option. Scroll through your watch list to locate the item you no longer wish to continue watching. For mobile devices, tap and hold the item, then select on the Remove from the pop-up menu. For desktop or TV, right-click on the item and choose Remove from the context menu. Now, if this feature is not available for you, there is a trick to it as well. From your continue watching, what you actually have to do is skip to the end of the movie or the show, which will trick the system into thinking you have completed watching it, and thus it will be removed from your continue watching row. However, it is quite tricky for a TV series or any sort of documentaries. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.